Hello, everyone. I'm Ray, and I will be walking you through how to use our innovative Insure Logistics instant freight rate solution available on our website, insurelogistic.com. Our instant freight rate solution will allow individuals to instantly retrieve real time freight rates and secure transportation services for rates received by simply securing a rate you like and submitting shipment details. As I walk you through instant freight rates step by step, please think of the appropriate individuals in your organization that will benefit from the solution, and please, we encourage you to share this video with them. With the intro out of the way, let's jump into what we see on our screen. We are currently looking at insurelogistics.com homepage. Towards the top right, we have additional pages about Insure Logistics, customers, prospects, carriers, and our blog. We encourage you to go into these pages and review some of the details and information we provided to learn more about our instant freight rates. Let's jump into our instant freight rate solution. On this page, you're presented with a form with specific details required as it pertains to your shipment. In this example I'll be walking through, I will need to enter shipment details for a truckload shipment requiring a van trailer from Houston, Texas to Atlanta, Georgia. In our first field, we have pickup zip code, which we know would be 77029 or Houston, Texas. Our destination zip code will be 30353 or Atlanta, Georgia. As we previously mentioned, we will be using a van truck type. As you see, another option would be flatbed. For a freight type, we know we need a truckload. The other option would be a hot shot. For this sake, we know our weight is 30,000 pounds, so there's an option of 26,001 and up. Our pickup date would be January 13th. Before we go on to getting our rate, I want to make note that we have two additional pop-ups available here that we encourage our readers and users to pop into. Our shipping rules display some details on our shipping rules. What can't be shipped will display details on exactly what can't be shipped. So please, we encourage you to read and review these prior to submitting your rate. In addition, we have some social media icons towards the bottom of the page, and we encourage you to share, like, and forward details of our instant freight rate solution. All right, let's click Get My Rate. As you can see, we instantly retrieved our real-time freight rate based on the preliminary shipment details that we entered. These rates are real-time rates, real-time market rates, available and updated on a weekly to bi-weekly basis based on the current market. As you see, we have a flag that says this rate is only valid for 24 hours. As you scroll down, you see a nice map showing you the from location to the location. If you are satisfied with this rate, we have a button called Secure This Rate that will allow you to start the process of obtaining a truck for your shipment. Once users click on Secure This Rate, if they are not a logged in user, they will be presented with a screen asking for login credentials. In this case, we don't have a login credentials, so we click Sign Up. Once you click sign up, you'll be presented with a form where you need to enter some preliminary details of your login credentials. In this customer type, we have one time shipment, 1 to 10 times a month, 10 times shipment, or an individual shipper. These options would help us gather as much information as we can about how often you're shipping. Once you successfully create a user account, you will be rerouted back to the login page. Once you enter your credentials, you successfully logged in and be routed right back to the shipment details page where you would be entering specific shipment details of your shipment. As you can see, because we created a login account, some details are already pulled into some fields that we have, reducing the amount of fields that we would need to input. On your origin pickup address, we're requiring you to input the specific address of the origin. Our destination location type will be a field where you need to input your location type of the destination. Of course, our destination address will be the specific destination address of where we need our freight delivered to. As you can see, you can either tab through each field and input information, or just click on a particular field and a drop down to select your information. In our total weights, we're requesting the total specific weight of your shipment. As you can see, your rate is automatically pulled in from the initial Get My Rate screen. Any additional requirements would be up to the user to add any additional requirements. Here, if you want to specify uh, a specific date you would like your freight to be delivered by, just write once we're done, just click submit button. After we click submit button, we're waiting on a prompt that essentially would tell you, thank you for securing your rate. For your reference, this is your shipment ID. We would then be routed to your shipment information page, which lists all of your shipments that you have secured the rate for. As you can see, Jones Shipping, rachel.jones@yahoo.com. If you scroll all the way to the right, there's a view more that will allow you to view the specific details of all shipments that you've secured a rate for. Please observe this note. If you would like to cancel or modify an order, please send an email to ray.mcdonald@insurelogistics.com and reference the shipment ID. Please note, if you have signed and returned a rate confirmation, you may be subject to a cancellation fee of 10% of the invoice. At this point, you're finished. We encourage you to bookmark your shipment information page as a way to reference and remember your shipment IDs for each shipment that you secured. If you look towards the top right hand corner, you'll notice that you can log out or continue to log in and go right back to the home page to start a new shipment. This completes the tutorial on how to use Insure Logistics Insure Freight Rates tool. Again, we want to reiterate this tool is available for everyone in your organization to use. We strongly encourage you to share this video with your colleague who may be potentially interested in retrieving freight rates. If you have any questions or feedback, please do not hesitate to call me at Ray, email me at ray.mcdonald@insurelogistics.com. Until next time, thanks.